everyone, we're back. But guess who else is back?
Mummy.
It's Mum, she's back. Said to you on the last video, I didn't ask you was on the way home, but she's here now, look. But how are you all? Anyway, how you all doing? Just a quick update really, this one on my leg. Doing alright. I mean, I said on the last video, didn't I, that it was all going to be out and that, but I thought Mum went out and got me some more plasters and that, so I'll just done it back up for now. But it's doing okay. Not too much pain, get a little ningle here and there, but I'm getting there, doing a bit more walking around now. I'm still on the crutches though. I don't feel safe enough to walk on it properly yet. I mean, doctors have said like, oh, I should be able to do it, but it don't feel right if I try and put all my weight down on it. I mean, eventually I will do it. It's only been 6 weeks since I've had it done, so I'm just going to take my time and just do it bit by bit each day. But other than that, we're doing alright. We've got Mum back now, so obviously she's helping Tina out a little bit. Take a bit of weight off Tina. Another little shout out. I thought I'll do this one because it's funny. My Auntie Susan commented on the last video saying about, oh, she said, write all your shout outs down so you don't get mixed up. Bearing in mind, I do write my shout outs out, but some of them are a bit confusing where if they ain't got names or names that I can't pronounce properly, or you know, they always get the odd couple that are a bit confusing, but hopefully I got them right anyway. So she says, obviously, write hers. She said, my name's Auntie Susan. I had a laugh over that. So, hiya, Auntie Susan, shout out for you.
Uncle Paul.
Oh, yeah, and Uncle Paul. Best to Uncle Paul as well, and I. He'll be saying, hang on, you got one and I didn't. But anyway, shout out to Uncle Paul and Auntie Susan. Saying that, have you made an actual YouTube account now so you can comment? Because you didn't before, and then it just come up with obviously your name when it come up as a comment.
Yeah, shout out Frank Pat's on you.
Shall I? Why, do they want one as well?
Yeah.
Oh, Auntie Pat and Auntie Sonia as well. My mum's just told me. Yeah, and Uncle Barry. God, here we go. They're just throwing them at me now. So there's Uncle Barry, Auntie Sonia and Auntie Pat. Shout out for yous as well. But I'm doing okay. Just got to take your time, really. I mean, next thing, I'm dying to drive properly. Really am. Want to get out there in my car and drive, but still can't yet. Got to get more pressure on my leg first, because obviously with it being a manual, got to push the clutch down. You finished now? I couldn't put the camera. I was going to get Tina to introduce herself first, actually, but she was too busy eating a Magnum. She's here. Hiya. There she is.
Going to get a cup done saying hiya on it.
Yeah. When we start doing merchandise in the future, we'll get some jackets and caps and things. One saying "but no," because that's what I keep saying. Tina with one saying "hi" or "hiya," because that's all she says on camera. Well, saying that, she's getting there. She's funny on it the other week, weren't she? But can't show your mum now because she's scoffing. What you got?
Toast and marmalade, my favourite.
No, thank you. I don't like marmalade. Never have. Have jam, but not marmalade.
Oh no.
Yeah. But I don't know what there is to say. I haven't had any shout outs, no one doing any questions or anything. It's just basically a little update video, really. Just see how I am. Obviously, the last week you saw me standing up. I mean, I can still do that. I'm starting to put a little bit more weight on my leg with the crutches, so I'm obviously just to get it going a bit. But I don't even know if I need the plasters or the bandages and that anymore. I'm just doing it really for protection, because if there's any infections or if one of the kids knock it or anything. But when I did clean it up, it looked like the scar's pretty much healed now, especially the big one on my knee, because it's all gone like that reddish colour, you know, when a scar heals. And then obviously it changes colour, doesn't it, when it's healed up. I mean, that's what it's starting to do. So hopefully the scar tissue's healed. Should be. I mean, they say obviously the outside of the skin heals within a couple of weeks. That's why they took the staples out. But don't know how long it takes for obviously the scar to fully heal. Well, I don't know. I was reading, weren't I? But apparently when you have an operation, your actual skin's like 80% of the strength of what it was. So I don't know. First operation, ain't it? So I ain't got a clue.
Tell them what your mum bought you yesterday.
What? Bought me what? Oh, about the waxes and that. Obviously, you all seen, didn't you, last week with Tina doing these wax melts and candles and that. So my mum bought me some of these. Trying to think who else likes these, actually. I can't remember. I know a few people like them. Love hearts. Wax melts. You know what? They're lovely. Had one on yesterday to try them. Oh, the smell of it was actually like the sweets. I love them. I could eat. A problem is for me, if I get given them actual sweets, I can eat the whole pack. I can't stop.
I've got new stock, guys. I've got new stock in, so if you're interested, let me know. Add me on my Facebook. It's called Tina's Candles.
Yeah, she's changed the name now to Tina's Candles. I'll put it about at the top or the bottom. You always see it because I always advertise on there. She's got more bits and bobs in now. Obviously, we've got some stuff for Christmas. Like she's got a. I'll quickly show you now, actually, because they're only next to me.
Well, they're your mum's.
Well, yeah, these are, but I'm only showing them because they're the same. Because we've got the same. So we've got these ones. Obviously, we're selling these as a package as well, so you can get obviously 5 wax melts, 5 candles,
and put the prices underneath.
I can't, not on YouTube. That's on yours. Stop interrupting. I'm talking. But anyway, like I said, these are all on her Facebook page. I mean, I keep telling her to do Instagram and that as well, and Twitter like we've got. That's obviously the red heart one, which obviously a lot of people will say it's for Valentine's Day, but in my case, because it's like it's red, isn't it? It's Christmas. Well, almost. It ain't far off, is it, guys? And then a little Christmas tree. Well, little. You can see how big my hand is. It's quite a big one, actually. And then obviously your wax melt goes on top. Your wax melt goes on top.
You forgot to tell him you got a wax melt with that one inside.
Oh, that don't matter. It's all it's all on her Facebook page.
Red one.
Oh, I'm not going all into it because that's nothing for me to deal with. That's all Tina. So if you want to go over and check it out, or ask for a quote, or see what you want or anything, just go over to Tina's Facebook account, which is Tina's Candles, which I'm going to put obviously top or bottom. Can't work out because obviously I've got to go by light, you see, because obviously if I put it in one place you might not be able to see it compared to where you can at the bottom, so it'll be top or bottom, one of the two. And obviously like I said, I'll put our Instagram and Facebook and Twitter on anyway, and email, so you know, thanks for all the subscribers. If there's anyone new, I noticed I've had a couple just come through actually. If any of you don't know, we might do if you watched the previous videos. I'm Jamie, Tina,
hiya.
Obviously my mum Jenny.
Hello.
And our 2 boys, Andrew and Harvey, and we're the Elmer's Adventures. So hello and hope you're all well. As you guys know, we're normally always camping or we're doing something on each of the videos, but anyone that's new that don't know, I've broke my leg. So obviously these are just like little update videos, little talky videos. But I'm like this, the doctor said I'll be like this for about 6 months, so there ain't going to be no camping now till next year, you see. But no one's commented on one of the videos I actually said, about what can we do for Christmas and New Year, because I don't want to be doing a live or anything, because obviously we're family orientated, you see, so our family comes first, so I'll probably do a little video for Christmas, wishing you all Merry Christmas, and then obviously New Year as well. I won't be doing any lives or that there, because obviously we'll be spending time with the kids and that, opening presents, and I think Boxing Day we're actually going to my dad's. I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean at the minute we are, but we'll have to wait and see because Mum's not here. You see, she's going back down to me Auntie Sonia's and Auntie Pat's and that, so she ain't here for Christmas. So it's only us 4. Oh, good job I don't get that on camera, innit? She's doing the twerk. Tina's doing the twerking. So, you know, that's where we are at the minute. I mean, okay, I've got MOT next week. Oh, God. Yeah, everyone's in the same boat. Everyone worries about the MOT. That's due Tuesday, is it? Yeah, 11th is Tuesday, the day it's actually due. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, touch wood, it passes. It's had a lot of work done to it, so I'm hoping it will. I mean, the only thing I'm worried about is where it's just been sat there for so long. So I'm hoping nothing comes back on it, because just for the reason that it's been sat there. You know what I mean? Because like your bearings and your gearboxes and things, and the oil settles down. There's no lubrication until it gets moved. You know what I mean? So that's my worry at the minute. But I'm hoping it'll pass. Well, need it to pass because I spent that much money on it. I ain't got any money left now to put into it. So anyway, it's only going to be like the shortest one I've done for a while. Actually, 10 minutes. But I thought, give you all an update. I mean, my leg's doing okay. It's doing fine. A little bit of pain here and there, but not as much as it was. Now, obviously, like I say, I'm on plenty of tablets anyway, 4 times a day, so that's avoiding most of the pain, the worst of it. But I'm getting round a little bit easier. I'm getting a little bit faster here and there. I tell you, because got armache.
You shoot up and downstairs now.
Well, sort of. It's because I have to go up the stairs on my bum, you see. So
You flew up there overnight.
yeah, I know, because I go up and down on my bum instead of, because I haven't got the use of me going on the stairs yet. I can't get the camera right today neither, because I'm getting arm ache and a sort of swell at the same time. That'll have to do. It's only a quick one. So anyway, like I said, shoot over to Tina's Facebook account, which is Tina's Candles, not Tina Elmer's actual account. Oh, also, just before we go, I'm also thinking of making another Facebook account. It's still going to be the same name as what our page is. Is ours a page or a group? I think ours is a page. So obviously if you type in Facebook now, theellmersadventures, I think it comes up under the pages. But I'm thinking possibly, because it's actually a benefit for us as well, making a Facebook account, like, so obviously I'll have to accept you as a friend, but I'm also planning on opening a group on Facebook. And basically, I'm asking people on there, if anyone knows any cheap campsites that you've been to in the UK, you know, put them in the group once it's made. Because obviously we're always on the lookout for cheap campsites. Because if you remember me saying about Glen Camping that we went to, it's £10 a night. Tina looked on there the other day, they put the prices up to £15 a night now as well. So it's still, well, like I said, it's still cheap, but compared to what we was paying, it isn't. Yeah, but what I'm saying is that's like an extra tenner on top of your stay to what we used to pay, and it's just like 30 quid for 2 nights instead of 20 like it was. So, you know, and if anyone's got any YouTube channels, you can share them on there as well. I don't mind. But that's what I'm basically doing it for as well. The group is so people can put pictures on of different campsites. Right. It has to be the UK though, because that's where we're from, and obviously we can't afford to go abroad at the minute.
I've got a new friend.
Have you?
It's called Jerry. He's a parrot.
Oh shit! Because we had to go. She had to go up to the reptile shop and get me snakes some food. So she was chatting to a parrot. Apparently, that was in there. Kept following her around. But that's what we're planning on doing. Well, I'm doing. She's got hers, and I'm getting mine. So obviously, once it's all sorted, which I'll have to let you know in one of the videos, go over and check the other channel out. So if you've got any questions or anything like that, put them in. Other people can answer them if there's any others, or I can, or whichever. And if there's anybody that's been to a nice campsite that's cheap, put it in the group as well, so then we can check it out. So anyway, I'm going to shoot off now, because there's not much to really talk about.
Someone gives a boost. I'm tired today.
But anyway, like I said, thank you to everybody that's watching and subscribed. We really appreciate it. And if there's anyone else that's out there that are watching us, give us a subscribe and hit that bell button so you know when the next videos are out. Because at the moment I'm trying to get them out for a Friday now. But if I get extra videos, I'm going to put them on at a different time of the week. So obviously when I put a video up, you'll get a notification through your phone from pushing that bell icon that there's a new video up. So anyway,
Toodle pip, I'm going to go sit down.
Right everyone, I'm shooting off. So you all take care and we'll see you soon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's all completely free. And give us a like, give us a comment. And if you can, if you've got any social media, give us a share on there as well. We really do appreciate it. And you never know. One day, any of you might be able to come and meet us while we're on a camping trip as well. You know. So you all take care. Ta-ra for now.